I just saw an AI-generated portrait that's so realistic, it's hard to believe it wasn't painted by a human. It's like looking at a photograph, but it was created by a machine. This got me thinking, what's the truth about AI image generation? We're living in a world where machines can create art that's almost indistinguishable from what humans can do. You're probably familiar with those weird and wonderful images that have been popping up online, like the ones created by Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. These tools use something called Generative AI, which is a type of artificial intelligence that can generate new content, like images or music, based on what it's learned from a massive dataset. It's like a super powerful version of those autocomplete features you see in your phone's keyboard, but for art. But how does it actually work? Well, imagine you're trying to describe a picture to a friend who can't see it. You'd use words like blue sky, green trees, and happy face to paint a mental image. Generative AI does something similar, but instead of using words, it uses numbers and patterns to create a picture. And it's getting really, really good at it. I mean, have you seen those AI-generated portraits that are so realistic, they're almost creepy? As I dug deeper, I realized that AI art is not just about creating pretty pictures. It's also about exploring the boundaries of what we consider art in the first place. Is a machine-created image still a work of art, even if it wasn't made by human hands? And what does that say about the role of the artist in the creative process? These are big questions, and they're not easy to answer. But they're also what make this technology so fascinating. And then there's the practical side of things. AI image generation has the potential to revolutionize industries like graphic design, advertising, and even entertainment. Imagine being able to create custom images or special effects for a movie or video game, without needing a team of human artists. It's like having a super powerful tool at your fingertips. But it also raises concerns about job displacement and the potential for machines to replace human creativity. As I explored this topic further, I started to think about the implications of AI-generated art on our society. Will we start to see a flood of machine-created images that are so realistic, they're indistinguishable from the real thing? And what does that mean for our perception of reality? It's like the old saying goes, if a tree falls in the forest and no one is around to see it, did it really fall? In a world where machines can create fake images that are almost indistinguishable from reality, what does that say about our understanding of the world around us? But here's the thing, AI image generation is not just about creating fake or misleading images. It's also about exploring new forms of creativity and self-expression. Imagine being able to generate custom images or artwork that reflect your personality or style, without needing to be a skilled artist. It's like having a digital canvas that you can use to express yourself in new and innovative ways. And that's what gets me really excited about this technology. As I reflect on what I've learned, I have to admit that I'm still a bit torn about the potential implications of AI image generation. On the one hand, I think it's an incredible technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and interact with art. But on the other hand, I worry about the potential consequences of machines replacing human creativity, or of fake images being used to manipulate or deceive us. It's a complex issue, and one that requires careful consideration and nuance. So, what's the future of AI image generation? Will we see a world where machines are creating most of the art and images we consume, or will human creativity always have a place in the creative process? And what does that mean for us, as individuals and as a society? As I ponder these questions, I'm reminded of the old analogy about the horse and the car. Just because we have a new tool that can do something faster and more efficiently, doesn't mean we'll never use the old one again. In many ways, AI image generation is like a new tool that's been added to our creative toolbox. It's not meant to replace human creativity, but to augment and enhance it. And just as we use different tools for different tasks, we'll likely use AI image generation for certain types of creative projects, while still relying on human artists and designers for others. But what's clear is that this technology is here to stay, and it's going to change the way we think about art, creativity, and self-expression. As we look to the future, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that AI image generation holds. From creating custom artwork to generating special effects for movies and video games, the potential applications are endless. And as we explore this new frontier, we'll need to consider the implications of this technology on our society and our understanding of the world around us. So, what do you think? Will AI image generation revolutionize the art world, or will it simply be a tool that we use to enhance our creativity? As I wrap up this video, I'm left with more questions than answers. But that's what makes this topic so fascinating. It's a journey of discovery, and one that requires us to think critically and creatively about the role of technology in our lives. And that's exactly what I love about exploring the world of AI and tech. It's always pushing me to think differently, and to consider new possibilities. So, if you're as curious as I am about the future of AI image generation, and you want to stay up to date on the latest developments in this field, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates on the world of AI and tech.